Hello students, my name is Ajay Sahu. There were about 15,000 pounds worth of jewels in the garage safe. If he sold them one by one, he expected to get at least 5,000, enough to make his happy for another year. There were three very interesting books coming up for sale in the autumn. Now he would get the money he wanted to buy them. He had seen the housekeeper hang the key to the kitchen door on a hook outside. He put on a pair of gloves, took the key, and opened the door. He was always careful not to leave any fingerprints. A small dog was laying in the kitchen. It stirred, made a noise, and moved its tail in a friendly way. "All right, Sherry," Horace said as he passed. "All you had to do to keep dogs quiet was to call them by their right names and show them love." The safe was in the drawing room. Behind the rather poor painting, Horace wondered for a moment whether he would collect pictures instead of books, but they took up too much room. But they took up too much room. In a small house, books were better. There was a great bowl of flowers on the table, and Horace felt his nose tickle. He gave a little sneeze and then put down his bag. He carefully arranged his tools. He had he had 4 hours before the servants returned. The safe the safe was not going to be hard to open. After all, he had lived with locks and safe all his life. The burglar alarm was poorly built. He went into the hall to cut its wire. He came back and sneezed loudly as the smell of the flowers came to him again. How foolish people are when they own valuable things, Horace thought. A Magnis article had described this house, giving a plan of the rooms and a picture of this room. The writer had even mentioned that the painting hid a safe. But Horace found that the flower were hindering him, uh, hindering him his work. He buried his face in the handkerchief. According to Horace, there was about 15,000 pounds worth of jewels in the garage. He thought that even if he sold them one by one, he would get at least 5,000 pounds that would keep him happy and content for 1 year. He also thought about the three books that were coming up in the autumn and thought that now he would have the money needed to buy all those books. He saw the housekeeper on the garage hang the key on the hook outside the kitchen door. He took the key with a glove on his hands as soon so as not to leave any fingerprints. He opened the door of a garage and used to be very careful about the fingerprints. He then saw a small dog sleeping in the kitchen. The dog moved a bit, made a noise, and then moved his tail in a friendly way. Horace then said, "Cullen Sherry," which was the name of the dog. He knew that the trick to keep dogs quiet, to call them by their names and show them a bit of love. The safe of the garage was in the drawing room. Hidden behind a painting. Looking at the painting, he thought that he should collect painting rather than books, but then thought that it would be better to collect books in a small house because pictures required larger space. Then, as he moved forward, he saw a ball flower on the table. His nose was tickling due to the hay fever and the smell of the flowers. He arranged his toes and saw that he had about 4 hours until the housekeepers returned. The safe would not have been difficult to open as he had lived with safes and locks all his life and the burglar system of the house was not a good one. He went into hall to cut the wires on the burglar system. He again sneezed loudly as the smell of the flowers came to him again. He was thinking himself that how foolish rich people were when they had valuable things as he recalled that the whole plan of the house including the information about the safe was given in a magazine. He saw that the smell of the flowers was constantly making him sneeze loudly. So he put a handkerchief on his face and continued his work.